Get Zoe. Zoe. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it.
Zoe.
Get Zoe.
Zoe, go get Goldie. Go get the dog. Come on, get her. Get her. No more barking.
San Diego's Jazz take you back to 1959 for a jazz classic from the one and only Miles Davis. From the disc titled Kind of Blue, we heard all PC, Paul Chambers on bass, Jimmy Collins, Bill Evans, John Coltrane, Cannonball Adderley, and Miles Davis. And ahead of that, we heard from the B Sharp Jazz Quartet from the disc entitled Searching